Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6114. This ran from 02 2017 to 04 2018. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, the front door mirror. Left front door has crease down the side. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. The front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster,